this video, I would like to take you all through the very first mod. License plate cover. No, right, license plate frame. Stainless steel, flat black, leftover from the Audi. I took it off and I couldn't put it back on one day because I threaded the screws or where the screws go on the Audi, so I can't take that license plate off. So here we go. Okay, so first thing you want to do is check the type of screws that are on the license plate frame already. It uses a Phillips screw, so you're going to want to use a Phillips screwdriver, okay, not a flathead. Although if you're in a pinch, you could probably use a flathead. These screws are kind of rusty. I probably want to use new screws, so let me see if I have new ones. Once the screws are off, you're going to want to hold down the frame and the license plate so that it doesn't wiggle around and scratch your paint. Okay, I did find some new screws and screw it on by hand a little bit just to get them in there and holding in place. And then once you do that, use your tool to tighten it up. Make sure you don't over tighten it. You don't want to thread that just in case you ever need to take it off. It's a very small detail, but make sure the borders are lined up to where you want it. Get them lined up right so that you don't see like the ridges. Just like that, the new license plate frame has been installed.